Here an array given and we need to check whether all the values occurrences are unique. Answer true if the occurrences are unique, otherwise false. Let's check an example. An array given 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3. The output is true, 1 repeated 3 times, 2 repeats 2 times and 3 one time. No two values have the same number of occurrences. The next example is array of 1 and 2. Here both the elements occurred one time, so the answer is false. Third example is an array with negative and positive values. The output is true. In this array you can see -3 occurs 3 times. 0 occurs 2 times, 1 occurs 4 times and 10 occurs 1 time.
The constraint is our length can be 1 to 1000 and each values can be varied from -1000 to 1000.
I am going to use brute force solution here. At first we need to iterate the array and store the key values into a hash map. Key equals array element and value equals count of each element. Next, copy the hash map values into a set and check the length of map and set, which will be our output. So let's start the coding. The time complexity of this solution is O of n because we iterate through the array only once. Space complexity is O of n2 because we use map to store the occurrences.